How much green tea should you drink per day? Green tea is derived from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant and comes in several varieties. In recent years, it has also gained popularity as a health drink. But how much green tea should you drink to achieve these benefits? And could drinking too much be dangerous? Green tea is loaded with nutrients and plant compounds that can have positive health effects. This includes potent antioxidants called catechins, which may help protect against cancer. If you haven't seen the previous video where I talk about the 10 health benefits of drinking green tea, I'll put the link in the description below. Now, how much green tea is optimal? Studies that explore the benefits of green tea show conflicting evidence about exactly how much you should drink each day. Some studies show health benefits in people who drink as little as 1 cup per day, while other studies deem 5 or more cups per day to be optimal. Take this study for example, done in Japan on breast cancer patients. They found that increased consumption of green tea was correlated with decreased recurrence of stage 1 and 2 breast cancer, and this study shows decreased recurrence was observed with consumption of 3 or more daily cups of green tea. This study for men on prostate cancer, which was also done in Japan, shows that men drinking 5 or more cups per day of green tea compared with less than 1 cup per day, is associated with a decreased risk of advanced prostate cancer. Besides cancer, green tea also reduces diabetes as seen in this study, whereby participants who drank 6 cups of green tea a day is associated with a 33% reduced risk for type 2 diabetes. What are the possible side effects of drinking green tea? Effects of caffeine. Consuming too much caffeine can increase feelings of anxiety, interfere with sleep and cause stomach upset and headaches in some people. Consuming large amounts of caffeine while pregnant may even increase the risk of birth defects and miscarriage. The amount of caffeine in 1 cup of green tea varies depending on the amount of tea used and the length of time the leaves steep. Effects of catechins. The catechins in green tea may reduce your ability to absorb iron from foods. In fact, consuming catechins in large quantities may lead to iron deficiency anemia. While regularly drinking green tea isn't a concern for most healthy individuals, those at risk of iron deficiency should consider drinking tea in between meals and waiting at least 1 hour after eating before drinking tea. The catechins in green tea can also interfere with certain medications used to treat anxiety and depression and decrease their effectiveness. Therefore, it is not advisable to consume medications with green tea at the same time. The bottom line, drinking 3 to 5 cups of green tea per day seems to be optimal to reap the most health benefits. Remember to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, stay healthy.